taking their things with her. So, Scott has just told me there that we might get 3 jumps out of Tony, because Drew might be out of action, whereas normally only do 2, so maybe go a bit easier on that first one. The thing is, these trucks use a gallon of fuel every 56 yards. So every 150 feet, the length of this arena, he will use a gallon of fuel. So if you want to see a bigger jump, make some more noise. 3, 2, 1, jump! Yes! That's more like it. Bits of random car lying around the place. I'm going to say actually, this Escort, oh look at that, they took a tour with him there, hey? That was pretty cool right there. Just in the